Hello everyone, this is a new video. We are going to learn about grep. So before going to grep, let's see what grep does. For that we can open man command of the grep. Man is nothing but manual. So man is nothing but it prints a line that matches a pattern simply. So for example, I'm having two files here, cat file1.txt, file2.txt. Okay, let's open one at a time. So these are the contents of file1, these are the contents of file2. Now suppose I want to match hello from file1. We will just write simply grep here the pattern as exactly what we want. So there you go. So it says it has matched it. Okay, let us write everything in small letters. It doesn't work. So let us see one more example. How? So there you go, it gives the entire line where it matches the pattern. So in file1.txt we matched how. Okay, now suppose we want to match in, suppose we don't know where, or sometimes there may be a case where we need to ignore the case. So we will use grep-i. And there you go, -i does make grep command ignore the case. So there we might to search in multiple files like file1.txt, file2.txt. there you go, in file1.txt it has matched here, in file2.txt it has matched here. Also we can, if we want to specify search in all files, we can just put star, so it will match in these lines. Okay, so we have seen grep -i. Another thing is we can go for grep -v. So what does this v do? It just does the opposite of what the grep does. So it will match all the patterns that's opposite of hello. So this is opposite of hello because we didn't give ignore case. This is opposite of hello, this is opposite of hello, this is opposite, this is opposite. So whatever hello didn't match, it provides that output. If you want to ignore even this one, you can just say ignore case. There you go. Now suppose we want to get a count of how many times a pattern exists. First let us see how many times the word who exists in this directory. Not even once. So let's see where. So there you go, where exists in this file. Okay, I will put -i. There you go, we will see 2 times. So what if I want a count of these things? I will just put -c, which means count. There you go. In file1.txt it is matched once, in file2.txt it is matched twice. Now I want to see the count of r twice. If you want to see where does it match, there you go, here it matched. So -n will give us the line number also. If you put -n, it prints a line number 2. That's it friends, thank you.